Hey guys, ChipinAction back with another video. Today I will be making this drill bit holder. Thanks to SawStop who sent me these two blades and two hats. Let's get started. This is where it's going to be mounted. The drill press will be right here. To hold the drill bits, there will be a little angled board that runs across here so that the bits themselves can lean up against it. And I decided that this is the perfect angle right here. Now I've gotten most of the work done. It slowly rises higher like this and like this. So there's many angles. Now I can put in these angled pieces like this. They have a 12 or 18 degree angle bevel on them. And I'm going to put them in right here so the drill bits can rest up against them. I'm gonna be screwing these in with wood screws because it's not going to require a lot of weight, and I don't have any mason screws with me. Well then, guess I'm going to drill a smaller hole. Ta-da! Overall, this drill bit holder is very useful and very handy to have. I'm glad I made it. I got the idea off of Steve Ramsey's opening drill bit holder. You might have seen that one. I'll put a link in the description, and there should be a link right here. Another quick thanks to Sauce who sent me these 2 hats and 2 blades.